WAEC Recruitment Exam Past Questions and Answers, compiled by JobsGivers. Question 1. When was the West Africa Examination Council established? A. 1914, B. 1952, C. 1965, D. 1951. Correct answer B. Question 2. Who is the current chairman of the West Africa Examination Council? A. Professor Thomas Brimaric Yoma. B. Mr. Peter Barr. C. Professor Pius Augustine. D. Dr. Yahaya Hamza. Correct answer A. Question 3. The current chairman of WAEC is from which country? A. Nigeria. B. Sierra Leone. C. Gambia. D. Ghana. Correct answer B. Question 4. Where is WAEC headquarters located? A. Nigeria. B. Guinea. C. Burkina Faso. D. Ghana. Correct answer D. Question 5. Who is the current registrar of the West Africa Examination Council? A. Iyi Uwadia. B. Patel Ba. C. Charles Igurudu. D. Uluse Adenipekun. Correct answer B. Question 6. Which country is the newest member to join WAEC? A. Liberia. B. Ghana. C. Sierra Leone. D. Togo. Correct answer A. Question 7. Who was the first Nigerian to be appointed as the chairman of WAEC? A. Professor Saburi Biambaku. B. Professor Ade Ajayi. C. Dr. Josh Johnson. D. Professor Kenneth Dike. Correct answer A. Question 8. In Nigeria, the WAEC National Office is headed by who? A. Registrar. B. Director General. C. Head of National Office. D. Executive Secretary. Correct answer C. Question 9. Which of the following is an objective of WAEC? A. To monitor education in West Africa countries. B. To conduct examinations and award certificates. C. To build school in West Africa. D. To employ all graduates in West Africa. Correct answer B. Question 10. Which Nigeria currency note has the image of Avan Ikoku? A. 5 naira. B. 15 naira. C. 20 naira. D. 10 naira. Correct answer D. Question 11. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations? A. Kofi Annan. B. Ban Ki-moon. C. Antonio Guterres. D. Donald Trump. Correct answer C. Question 12. Which of the following is the largest planet in the solar system? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Correct answer C. Question 13. Who was the first female Chief Justice of Nigeria? A. Justice Aloma Mukhtar. B. Justice Zainab Bukawagu. C. Justice Mary Odili. D. Justice Fatih Abubakar. Correct answer A. Question 14. A person who writes a book is called what? A. An editor. B. An author. C. A publisher. D. An illustrator. Correct answer B. Question 15. The average age of 3 boys is 15 years. If their age are in ratio 3:5:7, the age of the youngest boy is what? A. 21 years. B. 18 years. C. 9 years. D. 15 years. Correct answer C. Question 16. What is the value of x if 2x plus 10 is equals to 30? A 5, B 10, C 15, D 20. Correct answer B. Question 17. After 3 successful equal percentage rise in the salary, the sum of 100 naira turned into 114 naira and 49 kobo. What is the percentage rise in the salary? A 12%, B 22%, C 66%, D 82%. Correct answer A. Question 18. Which of these options below is the synonym of fostering? A. Safeguarding, B. Neglecting, C. Ignoring, D. Nurturing. Correct answer D. Question 19. What is the synonym for the word meticulous? A. Careless, B. Detailed, C. Messy, D. Rapid. Correct answer B. Question 20. When somebody is above board, it means that that person is what? Honest. A. Honest, B. Brave, C. Proud, D. Rich. Correct answer A. Thank you very much for watching. We have also compiled this material in PDF to enable you give you maximum preparation. The PDF version cover all aspects of the exam like current affairs, mathematics, English, verbal reasoning, numerical reasoning, position-based question, and general papers. If you need to get this complete PDF version, you can contact us via the WhatsApp button in our profile. Thank you. Please note, JobsGiver is an independent career support platform. This page is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or representing the West Africa Examination Council or any other government or private agencies. All content on this page were researched and compiled by us for exam preparation purposes. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.